Starting around the 1st of May 2023, Truly Smooth Love Mixture is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.51% in most recent 1 hour in a genuinely significant manner. SLP essentially has an extremely all-out market cap of $104,961,248 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,388,980, which is genuinely huge. This certainly makes Truly Smooth Love Mixture exceptionally positioning at 256 in the cryptographic money market, which explicitly is very huge. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the genuinely smooth love mixture cost forecast finish of 2023, what will exceptionally smooth love elixir in a real sense be genuinely worth in 2023, which most certainly is genuinely huge? Is exceptionally smooth love mixture a sort of wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023? Which especially is very huge. Will SLP cost in every way that really matters outperform its unsurpassed essentially high in a genuinely huge manner? These essentially are our really smooth love mixture cost expectations for SLP's future, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2023, which especially is genuinely huge. As per the essentially Smooth Love Elixir Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023 the SLP cost for the most part is supposed to generally cross a normal value level of $0. The normal especially least value worth of kind of Smooth Love Mixture toward the finish of the very current year ought to be $0 in unpretentious manner. Besides, SLP can truly arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $0 a fundamentally enormous manner. Smooth Love Elixir Value Estimate May 2023. In May 2023, the extremely greatest cost for Pretty Smooth Love Mixture could explicitly stretch around $0 a kind of significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of SLP in May 2023 in a real sense is $0, an exceptionally normal cost of $0 in unobtrusive manner. Smooth Love Mixture Value Estimate June 2023. For June 2023, the cost of certainly Smooth Love Elixir in a real sense is truly anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a truly normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a limit of $0 and essentially least of $0. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation July 2023. Smooth Love Mixture cost is supposed to in a real sense reach between $0 July 2023, while the truly normal cost of SLP for the July most certainly remains around $0 and large Smooth Love Elixir Value Gauge August 2023. The genuinely Smooth Love Elixir cost for August 2023 may arrive at least worth of $0. The truly greatest estimated cost especially is around $0 in unpretentious manner. The really normal cost for SLP truly is in a real sense anticipated to for the most part reach $0 August 2023, which basically is genuinely critical. SLP Value Gauge September 2023. The Smooth Love Mixture figure for September 2023 expects that the SLP might arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $0 for the most part least cost of around $0. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value SLP can for the most part stretch around $0 September in a huge manner. Smooth Love Elixir Value Figure October 2023. The very normal cost of fundamentally Smooth Love Mixture could explicitly go to $0 the finish of October 2023. Truly further appearance how Pretty Smooth Love Elixir Value Conjecture October 2023. The kind of normal cost of especially Smooth Love Elixir could really go to $0 the finish of October 2023, which sort of is very critical. SLP could generally be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $0 the in every practical sense, least expected cost of $0. SLP Value Estimate November 2023. The especially Smooth Love Elixir Gauge for November 2023 expects that the SLP may in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $0 and in every way that really matters, least cost of around $0, or so they by and large thought. Discussing the very normal value SLP can sort of stretch around $0 November. By and large further appearance how Truly Smooth Love Mixture Value Estimate October 2023. The really normal cost of genuinely Smooth Love Elixir could in every practical sense go to $0 the finish of October 2023. Extremely further appearance how in every way that really matters. Smooth Love Elixir Value Gauge October 2023. The kind of normal cost of commonly Smooth Love Elixir could generally go to $0 the finish of October 2023 amazingly. Smooth Love Elixir Value Conjecture December 2023. The sort of Smooth Love Mixture cost for December 2023 may arrive at a truly least worth of $0. The kind of most extreme determined cost truly is around $0, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The kind of typical cost for SLP in a real sense is really anticipated to explicitly reach $0 December 2023, all things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Smooth Love Elixir Past Value Examination in the Beyond 24 Hours. The crypto truly has been especially diminished by 3.92% in its really current worth in an essentially huge manner. Assuming we sort of analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the SLP with yesterday, you can see that the market cap generally is additionally down, or so they in every practical sense thought. Smooth Love Elixir essentially is confronting an extremely difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. The SLP sort of is down to nearly 5.36% in the kind of most recent 7 days. Lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The coin especially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for certainly past essentially couple of days. The coin could especially major areas of strength for have yet. We don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment, which for the most part is very critical. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP really diminished by 13.317%, dispensing with an incredible sort of typical amount of $0 its sort of current worth, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a sort of good really purchase and open door for extremely speedy interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change for the most part is around 3.93%, and the cost in a real sense flowed from an extremely least sort of typical cost of $0 exceptionally greatest really normal cost of $0 and large beyond 90 days, which basically is genuinely huge. In most recent 4 months, by and large, Smooth Love Mixture has shown a developing pattern in a sort of significant manner. Subsequently, we by and large think that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period in an unpretentious manner. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of by and large Smooth Love Mixture really is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting how these essentially are our exceptionally Smooth Love Elixir cost expectations for SLP's future in an especially significant manner. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, or so they by and large thought. The coin truly is up by 12.93%, with the truly most extreme exceptionally normal cost of the coin certainly was around $0 the in every practical sense. Least most certainly normal cost of essentially was around $0 truly beyond 4 months in a really significant manner. Smooth Love Mixture Value Conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will especially be in every practical sense Smooth Love Elixir sort of worth in 2023, or so they thought. The SLP cost by and large is determined to for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense greatest degree of $0 really least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, showing how SLP value gauge September 2023. The sort of Smooth Love Mixture conjecture for September 2023 expects that the SLP may for the most part arrive at a by and large most extreme worth of $0, a sort of least cost of around $0, which is very critical. Does pretty Smooth Love Mixture in a real sense have a future, which really is very critical? As far as cost, Smooth Love Elixir explicitly has a